Student, okay, now start is the video classes. As per the principal information, I am sent the 3 chapters lesson question answer, inside and exercise question answer. First chapter is the hardware components, send exercise and inside. Then same type second lesson, number system, inside and exercise question answer. Same type spreadsheet exercise question answer and inside question answer. But now today is the start is video classes of first chapter introduction of hardware components. Okay, then now you are to see the video of introduction of computer hardware components. If any mistakes, then you rectify and try to understand. If may be any doubt, and phone call me for clear your doubts. Okay, now start the lessons of computer hardware. Okay, then first is computer. Computer is a contain components is a hardware and a software. First, hardware means the physical equipments of the computer is known as hardware. Then software means the programs of the computer are known as software. But hardware also classified as the two types as per your books: internal hardware and external hardware. You are also written the answer what is internal hardware. The hardware inside of the computers are known as internal hardware. Then examples of internal hardware is ALU, CU, MU, hard disk, CD, floppy disk and DVD examples of internal hardware. Same type external hardware means the hardware fixed inside of the outside of the computer are known as external hardware. Then examples of external hardware: keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, etc. Okay, the next same type software. Software also classified two type: system software and application software. System software means the softwares you can use for processing of computer are known as system software, but these are not in your subject, only outside question. Then only you clarify system software only operating system example. Then application software example is MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Paint or etc. The computer hardware components. First question of computer hardware components is what is hardware? The physical components of the computer are known as hardware. Physical components of computer are known as hardware. Physical components means the part of the computer are known as physical components. Then hardware make up computer system. Hardware with can the prepare of computer or can create of computer or made of computer. Then hardware classified as the two type: internal and external, or external and internal. Then second same type, what is a internal hardware? The hardware device which are installed inside the computer are called internal hardware. Means the parts of the computer inside of the CPU box are called internal hardware. The names of internal hardware is CU, ALU, hard disk drive, motherboard, ports, modem and SPAMX are the examples of internal hardware. Then same type, what is external hardware? Hardware is classified two type: internal and external. Internal means inside, external means outside. The components installed outside the computer system are called external hardware. The examples of external hardware is name of external hardware is monitor, keyboard, mouse, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer is the examples of external hardware. Okay, now start the page number 2, some internal hardware examples. First is define CU. CU stands for control unit. Then it manage of the computer various components. It reads and interprets the program instruction. The next is same type define ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. It performs all calculation as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and logical operation. Then same type third is MU. MU stands for memory unit. The memory unit can data process and data store. Okay, memory unit can data process and data store. Memory unit classified two type. One is primary memory, second is secondary memory. Primary memory data process, secondary memory data store. Primary memory is RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is hard disk, floppy disk, CD drive is the examples of secondary memory.